My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just under 33,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have our keyless ignition and our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access our menu, map and audio, and on the right we can access our camera, which comes with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.